Right. Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm with a sponsored car. It's running 6,000 horsepower. We're going to change the LED high beams, which are H15. So high beam is the inner one, this side one. So we changed one already. It's very easy actually compared to my Golf. So I'll show you now. There's the LED one, there's the yellow one. So we changed one already. They're very bright. Can you see? What the hell? Okay, so it's very easy to change. So for now I'll take out the old bulb, so it's very easy. Take off this cover. This cover's a bit dirty, just like the last one was, and then twist it. So put your hand in there, you can feel it. There's a lot of wires on this one. If you want. A lot of wires. There you go. Twist it this way. So clockwise. Oh the hell, there's so many wires on this one. What the fuck wire is this shit? There you go. There you go. There's the old bulb. It's the new one. So the pins are at the bottom. On there it's at the bottom, so you want to position it like that when you turn it in, and then turn it in like that. This one's going to be a bit more harder than the left side because the wiring's a bit of a mess. Don't know which idiot did this.
That's Audi for you, innit?
I think it's whoever replaced the bulb last week. Okay, so look through the front, make sure they're straight. Oh my god, this one will be a bit harder. Right. And it's just there, just twist it into place. I'm pretty sure that's in now. Very easy compared to my Golf where I had to break my whole hands. We'll go try them now. Hopefully it's that easy. Do it, man. Yeah, look at that. Easy as that. It took less than 3 minutes. Look how bright they are, bro. Leave it, man.